What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today's new video, new me compared to the last one. But I mean, long story short, let's just get straight into this video, man, real quick. Because today I am going to share with you guys, after I've driven the car for about 2 or 3 weeks, what I have noticed. And this is regarding the C8 cover for all you guys that's having the LT2 manifold installed on your 6th-gen Camaro. I'm going to show you some things to be on the lookout for when you have the cover installed. So let's get straight into this. Okay, so I noticed this after I went to a car meet yesterday or the week before. And look, when I pop my hood up, as you can see, you'll notice this here. So I had this hydro dipped. And yeah, so you see it rubs a little bit, and it's rubbing right here with the manifold cover. So this is something to be on the lookout for. When the engine gets hot, I assume the engine shakes and it rubs right here. So that lets you know how high it sits. I did cover this before my install, because I never really talked about my engine bay. But that's something else to look out for. And somebody else told me in the forums and on Instagram that it rubs this here. So it's pretty light. That comes from your Mishimoto, but my Mishimoto is not really affected, as you can see here. The tubing is just fine. It just has a rub here. Now for me, I'm not really worried about it because I am going to be replacing the hood anyway to go with a carbon fiber hood. So, and it'll be lifted, so I don't have to worry about it as much. But for now, it's not really affecting anything, you know. I think just the cover is getting hot, and of course, it's just rubbing into this. Now, what would it be like over time? I'm not sure. I thought about taking my heat shield off or whatever this is called, but I didn't like the way it looked underneath there, so you could do that option. Many people say that, hey, may discolor the hood or whatever, but my hood is wrapped, so I really don't care about that that much. But yeah, that's something real quick I want to show you guys. So for anyone that's thinking about getting the C8 LT2 manifold cover on top of that manifold, this is what you're going to have to deal with. Be sure to look out for that. And this is with the stock hood. I don't know about other hoods that's out there, but this is something I just wanted to share. So if you have the Mishimoto catch can, and if you have the LT2 manifold cover with the stock hood, that is what you'll expect there. These two little marks on there. So like that's pretty much going to wrap this video up, guys. If you have any questions, any concerns on how I got the C8 manifold cover installed, what type of bolts I used on the car, or anything, any issues that you believe that you're having that I'm not having and so forth, be sure to drop a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.